Hello, Sochvi. Welcome to my Zoom.
Hello, sir.
And many,
It's my pleasure.
many congratulations. Achin and Thankful Li Kala Ukur District Li Topper Sada Nawi result Sam Pangchewang Itum Katong and Ava Vai na Twilaga National Tashunga National in Twilaga Kernau Kashunga Itum Tong Internet and Ali. Congratulations, Idi Hangai Ja. And we are so proud of you. You have set a good example for everyone. Thank you so much. Jana ina manghanang lagana na we self introduction kityo kamyaw gila and then your family background little bit
Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Sochvi Liram. I'm from Longbi Kutri village, but our family stay at Hamle Khong Block B. My mother's name is Nangyola Liram and my father's name is Thompson Liram. I've been studying at Sacred Heart School from class 5 to 10, and my overall percentage is 91% at this year's metric exam.
Oh, thank you so much. And what is your parents, your mother, what do your mother do, and your dad?
My father is a civil servant, but my mother, she's a housewife.
Okay. So we'd like to know how you prepared for your class 10 exam.
So I used to go for tuitions. I used to read a lot of books that my teachers suggested me. And of course, as the saying goes, human wants are unlimited. We all want to be at the top. So I really worked hard for this. And I think it's been more than 10 years since there's been a topper from Ukhrul district. And so I really wanted to be the one. But then, unfortunately, I couldn't make it. But I'm happy with everything. I'm so grateful for everything.
You're the topper of Ukhrul district. You're the topper of Ukhrul district. So we're proud of you. And how many hours do you put in studies every day?
Well, you see, I used to go for tuitions morning, evening, and the school. So I used to get tired, and I don't have a tight schedule. So most of the times I used to study at school. Then when I reach home, I used to do my assignments, my homeworks, making notes, and I used to go to sleep early because I'm tired at the same time. So I don't have a tight schedule.
Okay. Yes. And what's your favorite subject?
I think all of the subjects are my favorite because I think if we work hard in it, then it becomes easy and we like it more. So I don't have a favorite subject of my own. I like all the subjects because I work hard on all of them.
You brought good name for your school, Sacred Heart. Can you tell us a little bit about your school as well?
Okay, so my school, I'm from Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Hung Phung, and I'm really fortunate to study in that school because that school has provided me a lot of opportunities. And I got to be in touch with many teachers who gave me many experiences and many things. So I thank to all of them. Thank you.
Okay, and now the big question is, what do you want to study and what do you want to become?
Well, I've been thinking about it, but I haven't been able to decide it yet because I want to pursue many things in life. I want to do many things in life.
Okay,
but it's something that I need the suggestion of my parents at the same time. So for now, my aim is to study, work hard, be passionate in everything that I do, and I want to be someone who gives back to the community.
Oh, that's great. Yes. That's great. So nice to hear about that. And what are your hobbies?
So my hobbies are writing. I love writing. I like listening to music. So that's what I love doing at home.
Okay. So your favorite books?
My favorite books, I like solving mathematics.
Oh.
I like solving them.
Okay.
I'm interested in it.
And music, what kind of genre you listen?
I listen to songs, music. I listen to many kinds. I don't know which.
Okay.
I like.
Okay.
Okay.
Class 12 kali batamra. 11, 12 kali damra.
A class 11, 12 here in Pali Tangai Chineka, Arhon week, Kazachi, here, she sure the situation in area, Mathayan had a decide Haku Manre the Paningle. Aja in Pali Tangai.
Okay. And are you already preparing for a certain competitive exam from now, or you're just going with the regular schedule?
No, I'm not, sir. I'm just going with the regular one.
Okay. Thank you so very much, Sojila. We are so proud of you. You have brought good name for our community. You have brought good name for your parents and family and for your school. And we are so proud of you. Thanks for joining. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. It's my pleasure.
We wish you all the very best for your future, and we pray that you'll have more success in the days to come. Yeah? Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.